Rashim, I'm sorry. They didn't have the flavors that you wanted. I'm really sorry. Maybe we can go to Tasties and buy you that chicken burger you like. Rashim?
Grandma, why is that man eating out of the garbage? That's disgusting. Why would he do that? Why would he eat out of the garbage?
Well, Rashim, some people can't afford to buy food or, even clothes. He's homeless.
Right, I'll give him some money then.
Wait, no, Rashim, no, you shouldn't just approach him like that. Don't worry, I'll give him some money. Hi, sorry to bother you, but you hungry? I can buy you food in the Island Grill. Richard?
Shireen, what happened? What happened? Did that homeless man try to attack you? You alright? What happened, Rashim?
Grandpa, why is Grandma crying? Is she okay? Why is she crying, Grandpa? Did I do something
No,
wrong?
Rashim, you didn't do anything.
Rick, that was Richard.
What? Which part him go?
Boy, it take me a while to reach here now. Traffic on the road. Hi, my nephew, you okay?
Auntie Debbie, Grandma's sad and I don't know why she's crying. She's really, really sad.
Don't worry about your grandma, baby. She'll be alright. Okay? Shireen, relax. Don't tell me to relax. He just ran away when he saw me. I understand, Shireen, but you have to calm down. Remember, it's been a while, Just relax, okay? I'll talk to Rick. We're gonna find him, don't worry. We're gonna find him. Standing up here is not going to help you to find him, Rick.
Debbie, I don't know. Does he want to be phone? I mean, the years and wouldn't even help him. He was eating out of a garbage pan.
Done, pass and gone. We'll just have to find him now.
Uncle Sebastian. Grandpa's on the phone and really want to talk to him, so it's urgent.
Hey, Daddy. Yeah, walk on. Wait, come. Alright, relax. Okay, I'm soon forward. Thanks for rushing over here, Sebastian. Can't believe we're not. Your mother didn't know it was him and she approached him. Him just run off. Well, I could do a little search party for him. Alright, maybe I'll text Karima and tell her the date off. Can't believe it. It's just so weird after all these years. Him back in the. Your mom said him look homeless. Of course the man homeless. After I abandoned him for so much years. Sebastian, please don't start. We already feel bad.
Look, why do not talk to your father, sir? I don't know what is wrong with Uno.
You don't even start. You just hand him over to the woman.
Excuse me? You don't talk what you don't know. Alright?
Me no fit talk me no. I don't know the woman crazy. I know they just abandon him with her. I don't call the police or nothing. No years pass. I'm not so surprised that him homeless. I'm just in shock. I need to blame. Sebastian, enough, alright? Just stop. You're making your mother feel bad.
Your brother didn't listen to me when I talked to him and he put himself in that position. If it
And you left him in that position, right?
continue for talk way, you know. That's why I'm going to pitney nowadays. When I just chat on them out, don't know what go on and don't know.
Mommy, I'm sorry. This is just so much to deal with.
We shouldn't fight each other. We just have to try to find Richard. Hey, stranger. I didn't know he was gonna be here.
Of course you did, because you always stalk me. Boy, you never know who's gonna be here. Stop telling a lie. Anyways, I'm babysitting my cousin. This is Kimberly.
Oh, okay, she's adorable.
Susie, is that your boyfriend?
It will enough about if I'm a boyfriend. While me na wata, we're not there for long. I'm tired. So you going?
But I don't want to go home yet.
Are you a kill time at ask me stupid questions? One go play in the water. We'll soon leave. Can't believe the man left me for that old dirty stinking girl. I say he boy is the man. Oh, dirty stinking boy.
Is she okay?
Don't care, no mind. When mad people are go off, leave them alone.
Yeah, you're right. You know, I really missed you. That's cool. I'm glad you're coming back.
Oh, really? My friend Marta say I hung out with my cousin Shana. Do you really miss?
Well, Shauna's helping me with art.
Oh, yeah. Fair mad stuff did always good at every single thing we did when we was kids. Everything she could at. But, you know me, the kind I miss you.
Really? You missed me? I'm surprised.
Kimberly, go wash off in the bathroom. Take the sand off for you. Don't miss the people on the floor. Never wash off from a block. Me eat the feeling of the sand on my skin.
Oh, I didn't know you smoked weed. Are you okay? Do you want something to eat?
Take out your sit down and smoke with me now. You know, fair boy, your ears smell really nice when I lie.
Susie, I'm hungry. Susie, what are you doing in the bathroom, Susie?
Kimberly, what is it? What do you want? Alright, I'll make you a sandwich show.
Alright, make sure it's a cheese sandwich. And cut the crust. I don't like crust.
Oh, you're sure he's gonna be here, Sebastian?
I figure like when I roam the neighborhood, he would have come here. I just say meet Susie mother.
Yeah, I tried to forget about that. Hi, good evening. I want to ask you something. I wanted to know if you've seen this man. He's my son and I'm looking for him. This is his picture.
Him always hang out here.
Wait, really? When is the last time you saw him? Please tell me.
When was the last time?
What? You don't remember?
Nah, man, me do. My granny, she always feed him. He's such a handsome looking man. Too bad him homeless. But him always come round here to get food from my grandmother. She feel sorry for him. Why sweet though, but not lie.
Well, he is my twin. Good gene in my family. Richard? I can't believe you. Sebastian?
Boy, it's been years. But him haven't really changed, eh? Him look the same.
I'm not really a talk to nobody. I'm only talk to Sebastian. Well, I think we need to get him checked out.
Him need more than check out. God. I wonder what happened to him. Hi, Richard. You enjoying the food? Do you want more? I can make you a favorite. Chocolate cake, remember? We used to love it. I just want you to know how much I love you, Richard. I'm so happy we found you. If there's anything you want, please let me know, okay? I just want you to be alright. I'm sorry. Just can't. I'll leave you alone. He's been through a lot, Sebastian. Well, I'll have to go pitch in to make him better.
Shireen, it's okay. You don't have to kill up yourself, okay?
I don't know, Rick. I feel like he's mad at me. Because I abandoned him. I feel so bad. I love him so much. I hope he knows that.
Why are you in my bed? Uncle Sebastian, why is this homeless man in my bed?
Richard, get up. You're not sleeping here. Come on, get up. Get out of Rasheen bed, alright? Yeah.
On the bed stink, him stink up my whole bed.
Wait, Richard. Sebastian, me I go up on the road. Alright? Yo, what you mean you go up on the road? No, you can't do that to me. I just find you. I don't feel like I don't feel like I'm supposed to stay here, Sebastian. I feel like I could just mess everything up. I don't want to. No, man. Richard, you have to stay here. Come on, we're a brother. We're a twin. Alright, me stay for you, okay, bro? Just not leave. This place is really nice. This is your room. Karima say you can stay with we. Why you settle down, okay? And don't worry. Tell her thanks. I appreciate it. Dear man. Finally get you back. Yeah, everything. Listen, me have some stuff I have to deal with, but make yourself comfortable, okay? If you want to sleep, sleep, relax. Don't worry about nothing. Me here for you. No, we can't leave. I already told Sebastian I won't leave. We're not leaving, okay? Can't leave. I can't. Susie, I know you're not talking to. I know you're not talking to us, Susie, and I know why. I understand why you're vexed. But please, the situation and everything, I just want us to talk, Susie, please. Just talk to me. Don't do this to me, please, Susie. Oh my God, Susie, Susie, are you okay? What happened? Wait, Susie. Are you upset about what we
Look,
did?
Oliver, I'm not really in the mood, alright? What we did was just me trying to take control of everything. It's nothing serious. Maya is not no boyfriend or girlfriend. Do not take it personal, okay? It's not a big deal.
Me already tell you, I'm not going away. Me not go nowhere. Me not leave. Promise him some won't leave. Can't do that to him. Me can't leave. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that.
You're Uncle Richard, right? Why are you talking to yourself? Michael, you're talking to yourself. Come play dolly with me. I said come! Don't hit me. Ow! Bud, you're a bad dolly. Don't hit me. Wee! Ow! Why you keep hitting me? No, don't say that I'm your mother. You are rude. You're being rude. Don't. Ow! Stupid dolly. Bad baby. You're bad. Yes? Okay. Wait. No. Uncle Richard, fix your hat. It doesn't look right on your head. This is my dolly. She's bad though. She doesn't listen. You should play with her. You beat her. No, you know what? I'm not guarantee you. She's my dolly. She's my favorite dolly. Uncle Richard.
Alright, me play with it.
Okay, just don't mash it up.